Very soon, a number of taxes are going to be raised, increased. We know the high cost of living that is on the shoulders of the Kenyans, the burden resting on the shoulders of Kenyans, that they can't even make both ends meet. But the president has decided to increase taxation, tax on everything, tax on chicken, tax on plants or crops, tax on anything that is moving, literally tax on everything. President is in the United States of America and has been given 1 trillion Kenya shillings. And therefore, with this money, we don't expect the president to overtax Kenyans again, because he's gone to the United States of America and has been given money. The problem is that we don't know where this money goes to. Most of this money is lost through corruption. Most of this money is just misappropriated, pilfered, defrauded, and therefore the money that has been given to the president should be used for development, should be used as a source of revenue for any other important issue that must be solved in this country. So the president must not move to overtax Kenyans, because as we speak he has money. So we don't know any other money that he expects. He already has 1 trillion Kenya shillings. As of today, he has 1 trillion Kenya shillings. That 1 trillion Kenya shillings should not be misused, should not be abused. And therefore, we are watching. And this time round, what we are planning as Team Ground will be so fun on the streets. To talk about the conduct and becoming of the government of Kenya, President William Ruto, to order that structures, houses, businesses be demolished, and that these houses were constructed using the hard-earned cash of Kenyans, and that Kenyans don't have where to stay. Children who are going to school don't have where to come back, where they can call homes, because the government has decided to demolish their structures, their houses, and has decided not to compensate them. Today, there's demolition ongoing at Gikomba market, where people are going to lose businesses, stocks that they've decided to invest millions and multi-millions of Kenya shillings. And it is shameful for the government to act in such an unbecoming way. The government that is claiming to have been voted in by the hustlers, the same hustlers that are being destroyed, as Ruto is busy having his sweet time in the United States of America, enjoying with his family. There are families who are suffering back in Kenya. There are families who don't have anywhere to go. There are children who will leave school in the evening but find that there are no houses where they will go back to. And more so at Gikomba, these people registered these said parcels of land. They were issued with title deeds as proof of ownership. Some were given allotment letters as proof of ownership of these said properties. And now the government is demolishing their properties without even proper consultation, without even information on how they will be compensated. And therefore, I want to urge the traders at Gikomba market and those people whose houses have been demolished throughout Nairobi to register with my office, present copies of their title deeds or allotment letters. I will take this matter to court. I will file a constitutional petition, and the prayers we shall seek for will be costs that shall be borne by the government. The second prayer that we shall seek for was declaration of violation of rights of Kenyans. We will seek for damages, both specific damages, general damages, and any other cost that shall be deemed fit.